In this tutorial, I will show you how to use JavafX Properties. Let's create a new project. Idea is you can set a value for property in the object that can listen for changes in the properties of other objects. So project structure, libraries. In my case, it should be program files, Java, JavafX SDK, library. OK. Apply OK. Opening Sim Builder. So controller class, let me remove. I will use anchor pane. So controllers, here we will use one button, then two labels. I will change the BTN order. Here I will say LBL quantity. So we have a quantity here. Then next label I will change to barcode. So idea is when you process the order, you like to increase the quantity without actually changing barcode of a product. So that you can say barcode should be read-only property. So let's create one class called item, just simple Java class. So commonly used properties here, one of them happen to be read-only. I'm going to use a string property and then barcode. Let's say a new read-only string wrapper. Okay, when you use a string property read-only, subclass is read-only string wrapper. Private, final, integer property for quantity. New, we can use simple integer property, because integer property is an abstract class, so you have to use subclass. Okay. So as you can see, we have one get, one set methods, and then string property. Generate, getter and setter. Okay. So we have one get, one set, and then integer property. So that's it. You may have a string property, integer property. Also we have and double and boolean property as well. Idea is here by conventions, getter and setter method for class we normally declare as final. Essentially by convention. Okay, so let's say public final. This one also final. Let's change to final. So this is a read-only string wrapper. Here, simple integer property. Okay. So we can listen to changes in the property value of, in this case, item class. If we are looking for changes in barcode property and quantity properties, and then we can actually observe. Here get methods works with the primitive value. There's another method called getValue that works with object value. Okay, in this case, string object. The quantity, of course, that can be integer value only. Here, let's say the data field. Okay, something missing. I think I forgot to add sample dot controller. So let me say here sample dot controller, so that we can let fxml knows that we have a controller class on the sample package. So now we can add data field. Okay. Next one more. Let's change to private. And then we can add annotations for fxml. Okay. So let's implement initializable interface that will come with one abstract method called initialize. Okay. Here we can add listener class. So let's say item set quantity. Let's say default value is 0. Set barcode, we will say 1, 2, 3 all the way to 9. That's going to be read only. here quantity property add listener. We're going to deal with change listener that implement change the methods. Okay, we are dealing with the number. Okay, that's the integer property. So if anything changed to item object in terms of property values, we're going to set a value. Okay, string value of okay to label quantity. Also label barcode. In this case, the value won't change. We can get the barcode. Okay, so here number first one actually considers old number. Okay, so I will say old value. T1 should be a new value. Let me add preamp options. Model path to Java SDK library. Copy, paste it, and then here add module. First one is JavafX controls, comma, JavafX fxml. Apply, okay. Let's build. Okay, successful. Let's run it. Okay, on recognize options, okay, there should be one more dash in front of add modules. Okay, two dashes. Apply. Okay. Okay, this time it works. Then I think I forgot to implement it, so let me go back. Let me go back to sim builder. Then I can add one handle btn order. Save it. Let me create a method, so go back. Here add methods. So item set quantity that based on item object and get quantity and then +1. So when I click order button, it will increase quantity by 1. So if I click 3 times, it's going to be 3. Okay, 1 increase from default value 0 to 1. 2 and 3, but as we can see, barcode doesn't change, okay, because we're using read-only properties. So this is how you use JavafX properties. That's all. Thank you.